I see the product and where I started with. When I joined Guru Network, there is a lot of products that I learned that you guys have built, and these products are amazing and very complex, and they could be its own businesses on its own. You built the data warehouse, which is really complex, can compete with Dune, and even better in some areas. You build your own block explorer, which also is very fascinating and works like magic. We have Guru framework, which allows developers build all the awesome tools. You have a orchestrator and other things that you have already implemented into your platform. And we were thinking how to figure out what is the offering, what is the right fit for the companies, who would be the perfect ideal customer for this specific product. And then when the whole Telegram mini app era came, and we saw a huge use case that people are natively using Telegram now. They all migrated from Discord, from Twitter slash X, from all these resources. They basically concentrated in Telegram, which is an amazing channel for communication. But it was missing that engagement part, because now you just have a chat where people can talk. Sure, you can exchange some GIFs or some emojis, but there wasn't really deeper level of like, how do you make people to act? And with the rise of Telegram mini apps, it became obvious that pretty much every single channel, every single community will need some sort of native engagement tool inside their own Telegram community that can be informative, or it can be focused on action. And to me, that became sort of a final evolution stage for Guru Network, only because it really combines all these amazing tools that you already have built in this one product. We are using analytics from Data Warehouse. We build it using the Guru framework. It does use AI Orchestrator and Block Explorer and all these complex systems that it would really, if you were to be a startup and to be like, hey, I want to build Telegram mini app from scratch, I don't think that would be possible to do it within a couple of days or weeks, just like we do today. So to me, it was just really awesome that it's such an easy product, quick to integrate. I really love that our pitch includes that, hey guys, there is zero development on your end, turnaround time 2 days to a week. It's absolutely super customizable. If you want to make some new level like quests or new design for integration or engagement within the app, it's also doable very, very fast, and you can even do it yourself. Just because we use our framework that is a low code solution. So to me, overall, that integration made a lot of sense, and I see a huge opportunity in this market to keep installing these apps and boost engagement for every single community that has over a couple hundred people there. Um, and functionality is pretty much limitless, I would say. And partnership with Miles, it has been fantastic. I really love the use case. I really love the complexity of what we are doing inside. It's not just a simple one level kind of application that everyone can has. It has its own customizable features inside. And also, I don't know if we already released or is it still coming. Can we talk about the NFT collection levels of access?
Yeah, we actually have updates on it, because here, for example, in Guru Network app, when I'm inside the profile, I see all the collections which I minted before from season passes. So those ones I see in my profile already. And right now, what's going on in there is new type of quest added here, but it's not on production yet, which is available only if you're a season pass holder. And the same functionality exists in chatbot, so you're able to so for example, in Miles Deutscher case in here, for their NFTs, it would be ability to subscribe to particular feed of events, and so on and so forth. As you can see in here, for example, those are DMs with the bot, and it's already sending notifications on the transactions.
Mm-hmm.
And when you're dropping down into the app from notification, it, we it's already providing you interface to do the same, to do the swap and so on. So and the ability to subscribe to those would be based on your community level, and community level would be based on your NFT collection you minted.
Which
And
is
with yeah,
It's fascinating to me because while I was living in Los Angeles, I was going to a lot of events in crypto world there,
Uh-huh.
and I heard pitches that people were building companies just to do that, just to allow some other company to utilize some sort of NFT system that it would give them a access or permissions or whatever it is. It would give them some perks, but I haven't seen really a successful use case. But don't judge me, guys. I'm sure you're in the world of Web3 space. You've seen a lot of applications of that. I personally haven't. And to me, this is also a really cool feature that easily implemented. Didn't take us years or months to develop. Literally a couple days, ready to go. And now you have fun engagement where you can mint an NFT. First of all, you can craft an NFT, which with AI era now it's super cool, and
Yeah.
they're actually cool. They look awesome, and they're all stuck to the same style, which I think is also pretty neat that you can build a whole collection in the same sort of
Yeah,
vibe
for
area.
example, Spooky NFT we tried last week, right? It was about
Yeah, that one I generated.
it was about like Halloween and so on.
Right.
Uh, yeah,
And the quality is very impressive. I just feel like it's the right time on the market. Everything kind of makes sense. AI is on a boom. It allows us to build things fast, and technology and the internet speed. Everything is available today that it wasn't, let's say, 10, 15 years ago, right? And the
and
level
it
of
happens on
project.
chain. You see, I'm voting right now, and it's actually causing transaction on chain. So your vote for this particular thing is counted and indestructible. How cool is that,
It's
right?
it's truly a new finance world.
You see, 6 seconds ago, that was a transaction for vote for this particular meme coin,
Right.
and it all works from within like Telegram ecosystem, and that's Burning Meme and all those apps I was showing today. Those are different apps, but they all built on top of Guru framework, and that's the technology we actually building here. Envisioning and that's exactly what we are talking about when we are talking about ecosystem of products and where is it in our white paper. I always coming back to our white paper to actually get ourselves on track of what we proposed, what we've building, and so on. So we have network participants ecosystem for Guru Network, and now we build an ecosystem projects with very good examples and all those partnerships and so on. And we've built in Guru's categories because, for example, burning those AI generated NFT collections or memes or everything, where it came from. It came from Burning Meme. It came from founder who built application on top of our framework, and now his processes actually embedded into new partnership with Miles, where they generating NFTs in their app. So yeah, it's quite fascinating. Like for me, maybe it's deeper technical, but for me, that's what's fascinating here
As
as
far
well.
as I know, the founder of Burning Meme, he's not a developer full time. He does not have a um, science degree. He's the guy who loves tech, and he was able to figure this out just using the framework. And to me, that is actually the use case for majority. A lot of people have great ideas and passion for building projects. They just don't have enough technical background. And using the framework, pretty much anybody can figure out how to build an app.